vocabulary, collocations, homophones, and homographs. Collocations. What are collocations? Words that frequently occur together are called collocations. For example, in greetings we say Merry Christmas and Happy Birthday, but we do not interchange them. Merry Birthday would sound very odd. The nouns Christmas and birthday go with the adjectives merry and happy respectively. These are called collocations. Example, stale bread, pungent smell, law and order, odds and ends, pots and pans. Collocations are not formed on the basis of any rules, but by the frequent occurrence of certain words together. Match the pairs of collocations. There are two columns here. In the first column, the words are colossal, classical, successful, outdoor. In the second column, the words are activities, problems, music, hand. So you have to match the pairs of collocation. So colossal, problems. This is a collocation. It is highlighted in red. Classical, music. This is also a collocation. It is highlighted in yellow. Successful, hand. It's highlighted in pink. Outdoor activities. That's also a collocation. It's highlighted in green. So all these words or all these are collocations. Colossal problems, classical music, successful hand, outdoor activities. They are all collocations. Words that frequently occur together are called collocations. Homophones. What are homophones? A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another. It is a sound alike, but differs in meaning and differs in spelling. Look at the following examples. R-I-G-H-T, right. W-R-I-T-E, right. So they are pronounced the same, but they have different meanings and different spelling. Here, right arrow, it's an indication, the right arrow, and here write, W-R-I-T-E, is to write a letter or write something. The second example, C-O-A-T, coat, C-O-T-E, coat. So this coat is a jacket that is worn by people when it is cold or for style, and this coat is a shelter for pigeons. So it's a homophone. It is pronounced in the same manner, but it differs in meaning and spelling. The third example, S-E-L-L-E-R, seller, C-E-L-L-A-R, seller. So they are homophones. It is pronounced the same, but it differs in meaning and in spelling. Here, S-E-L-L-E-R, seller, seller of vegetables or fruit. And this C-L-L-A-R, it is a storage place. So a homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another. It is a sound alike, but differs in meaning and spelling. Homographs. What are homographs? A homograph is a word that is spelled as the same as another. It is a look-alike. Same spelling, different meanings, same or different pronunciation. Meaning depends on where and how it is used in a sentence. Look at this example. T-E-A-R, tear. T-E-A-R, tear. So tear, to pull into pieces, and tear is liquid from the eyes. So this is a homograph. Same spelling, different meaning, and different pronunciation also. He tears the book. or he tears pages. And here tear, there was a teardrop in her eye. So these are homographs. A homograph is a word that has same spelling, different meanings, same or different pronunciation. Meaning depends on where and how it is used in a sentence. Some more examples of homographs. Look at these examples. D-O-V-E, dove, a bird. D-O-V-E, dove. So dove is a bird and dove here means to jump or leap. It is the past tense of dive. The boy dives into the pool. So the boy dove into the pool. So dove is to jump or leap, and this is dove, a bird. So this is a homograph. Same spelling, different meaning, different pronunciation. The next example, W-A-V-E, wave. W-A-V-E, wave. So same spelling but different meaning. W-A-V-E, here it is sea wave. And here W-A-V-E, move one's hand to and fro in greeting or as a signal. So look at this picture. The boy waves his hand. So wave here to move one's hand to and fro. So this is also a homograph. Same spelling, different meaning, same pronunciation. The third example, BAT, 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 bat. Bat, an implement with a handle and a solid surface used to hit a ball in games like cricket and baseball. So this is a picture of a bat used in games like cricket and baseball. And this BAT, bat, is a mammal, creatures of the night. This picture of the bat. So this is also a homograph. Same spelling, different meanings, same pronunciation. But the meaning depends on where and how it is used in a sentence. So these were all examples of homographs.